My name is Sara Gardner. I am a weld engineer and then trainer here. I've been here for about 2 years now. So my kind of career path that got me here, I did welding for Voc in high school. Then I went to Ferris State for 5 years, got my bachelor's in welding engineering, and then found DeWys through a career fair at college, and then ended up here from that. And then a friend had previously worked here. I would say that everybody has had an impact on my story here, and just being a part of a team and working with so many different people and everyone that has so many different backgrounds. It's really helped me get better at teaching people and working with people and being as good as I can be at my job. What I see for the future is just continued growth and growing and expanding. And we're always changing around here. Everything is always moving forward and growing. I love being a part of the story here, being a part of this family and team environment, and just the ability that this company has given me to grow personally and professionally and just be a part of this group and team around here.